let's see about the average speed. So Zen travels from A to B, that means 8 kilometer, and Jens travel half distance 4 kilometer at a speed of 2 kilometer per hour, and the remaining at 4 kilometer per hour. Since the total distance is 8 kilometer, then the remaining will be 4 kilometer. Now we have to calculate the average speed. So for first 4 kilometer it travels at a speed of 2 kilometer per hour, whereas the remaining 4 kilometer he has traveled 4 kilometer per hour. What will be the average speed? So average speed, as you all know, just think that how we will calculate the average speed. But since speed at 2 kilometer and the 4 at 4 kilometer per hour, so many students do some mistake. They just add 2 plus 4 divided 2 and answer they get 6 by 2, that is 3 kilometer per hour. But this is the wrong way to calculate. So this method is wrong. So how should we add the average speed? Let's see. Average speed is equal to total distance. Average speed is equal to total distance divided time taken. So total distance divided time taken we will calculate. So come to the average speed. What is the total distance? 4 plus 4, that is 8. And what will be the total time? Time is not given, but still we can solve it. Since you know that time is equal to distance by speed. So time is equal to distance by speed. So total time will be here distance by speed. That means in the first part 4 divided 2, second part 4 divided 4 plus 4 divided 4. So this will be the time taken. We can solve. So is 4 plus 4 will be 8, but here 2 plus 4, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 8 by 3, that will be 2.66 kilometer per hour. So in this way we can calculate the average speed. So average speed is 2.66 kilometer per hour. This will be the average speed of this. So 2 kilometer per hour, 4 kilometer has been traveled by the car, whereas at 4 kilometer, 4 kilometer per hour. So that is 4 by 2, that cut then 2, and 4 by 4 cut 1. So 8 divided 2 plus 3 is equal to 2.66 kilometer per hour. So in this way we can calculate. Now next example, see the next. Here a man is traveling that half an hour for 2 kilometer per hour. So we have to calculate the average speed. But distance is not given. Time has been shown here and the speed also. But distance is not shown here. As you all know, average speed is equal to total distance divided total time. So total distance is not given, but still we can solve. As you know that total distance is equal to speed into time. So speed this means 2 kilometer into half. Cut 2, then you will get 1. And 4 into 2. So cut 2 and 2, so you will get 1. 1 plus 8. Again time half plus 2 hours. So 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, and half plus 2, that is 0.5 plus 2, 2.5. So 36, 2.5, 9 by 2.5. So keep the if you multiply both in 4, then the answer will be 36.36, 3.6. So 4 if you multiply, then you will get 3.6 kilometer per hour. So you can remove decimal also and you can calculate, then you will get 3.6 kilometer per hour. Now the next question. Again, a man is walking and is 6 kilometer at 3 kilometer per hour and 10 kilometer at 5 kilometer. So you have to calculate the average speed. Now see here, time is not shown here. How much time the person. So here you know that average speed is equal to total distance divided total 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 will be total distance. But what about time? So time you know is distance divided speed. So 3 by 6 will be 2 hours. Right? Again, distance divided speed. So 10 by 5, 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 6 plus 16. So answer will be 4 kilometer per hour. So this will be the answer for this. Since the kilometer per hour is equidistant, that means it is nearer to both 3 kilometer per hour and also 5 kilometer per hour. That's why